what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I will show you how you can run Linux on your machine or on your monitor via your Galaxy Note 9, which I have. This is my Galaxy Note 9, so you can use your Galaxy Note 9 or Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, I guess, which is the new one, and you can run Linux on your monitor without using any other hardware, and that is possible because of Samsung DeX. So I'll just show you. So this is my Galaxy Note 9, as you can see, and here I will open Chrome. So this is the website where you have to go first of all, which is linuxondex.com. if you can see it clearly, then this will show Linux on DeX beta. You have to register for it, and the beta registration is available until December 14th. So register as soon as possible, and then they will send you, you have to fill some information, and then they will send you one of the container which you have to use inside Linux on DeX app. So I'll just show you what is the app. So if you can see that, then I guess so this one is the app which I am talking about, Linux on DeX beta. So if you will open it, then you will see that you can create container here, or you can load a container here. So this is PK Linux, which is the name of the container which I actually downloaded. So and there is an option called run terminal mode. So as you can see on my phone, I can run the terminal directly. So you will see that this is the terminal, and it works properly. So now I'll show you how to actually connect it with computer and how to use Linux. So if you're not aware of the DeX, then it is kind of what you can do is that you can use your phone entirely on your monitor. You can browse, you can use YouTube, etc. So I'll just plug the cable here. 1 second, and oh shit. So because I am handling it with one hand, so I'll just plug the cable, and yes, so I have attached the cable, and now you will see on the screen that I have this my Samsung phone actually showing on my desktop. And now if I'll just see here, then I have some option that using Samsung DeX, tap here to switch to screen mirroring, then you can see the screen on my phone, or I can use Samsung DeX. So if I'll click here, then you will see that Samsung DeX is starting, and this is the normal screen which I get, and I can use my phone as a touchpad, yes, as you can see, so that I can click on the cursor and go anywhere. So from here I'll go to the menu, which is here on the left bottom, and here you can see all the apps which are available on my phone. Now I have to open this Linux on DeX beta, and as soon as I will open it, you can see the terminal which I just ran in my smartphone, and I have to click back here. And sorry, because I am capturing it from one hand, so it is saying that are you sure you want to shut down your container. I'll press OK, and now here I can use this run to run this particular container on my monitor. So I'll just see that it will start running after a few seconds, and now you can see that I have this Linux, or you can say the modified version of Ubuntu running on my desktop, and I'm not using any other hardware. I'm controlling this cursor from this you can see touchpad, and it's working good so far. So I have tested it as well. So if you will just see, this is the Windows, it has this Chromium, then Firefox, then VSCode. So I have used VSCode, in fact IntelliJ as well, and they were working fine so far, but not the best. But there are like a lot of things, they need a lot of improvements. It's not the fastest one available, but definitely I believe that Samsung is going in the right direction. So let's open the Firefox as well, and it's good if you clear your RAM first before opening any of these tabs. So as you can see, we are here on the Mozilla, and now this IntelliJ idea has already been opened. So I'll just minimize it, and you can see, and now here you will see the keyboard is coming on my phone, but you can attach external keyboards or mouse, so it's totally your choice. So I'll just write, let's say YouTube, Okay, wait a second, youtube.com. okay, and then I'll press enter, and you can see it is working pretty fine. YouTube is opening. Okay, and this is looking good, right? And then I can click on new tab, and it's not any kind of disappointment or something. It's working pretty fine. Everything is working pretty fine. These are the two tabs which I have opened. Now I'll open the Flutter, and I'm trying to port Flutter as well because Flutter was not running, but I'll try to run it. And now let me just show you the VS Code again, and here you can see the Visual Studio Code, and here we have some node modules. If you want to open them, then you can open like this, and it's working pretty fine so far, but definitely I'll test it more. I'll try to do some projects as well, and definitely it is right now on beta, so once it will come to the stable release, then I guess this can be the next big thing. And Samsung is moving into the very good direction, having a single hardware to control everything, to do development. So this Linux on DeX is totally for developers. This is not for everyone. This is for developers who want to use some code for as a backup to if they want, they can connect with their phone with the monitors, and they can do some coding related stuff. So it's definitely, if you are like someone who is a developer and want to do a little bit things on your using your phone, then definitely you can give it a try. So it's working so far very good, and I have seen a little bit lag sometimes, but that is fine. I mean, that is not disturbing me anyhow. As you can see, this code editor is working pretty fine. I have used it, so not an issue so far. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, having Linux on your system using just your phone. I know Note 9 is kind of expensive, but and right now it is only supported on Note 9 or Tab S4, but in future whatever phones Samsung will bring, it will be supported, I'm sure, and especially the high-end smartphones. But this is something which I believe that even if it is not available, then also people are buying these phones. So if these things are available, then obviously it's a plus point. So I guess Samsung will do some more cool stuff in future as well. So thank you so much for guys for watching, and I'll bring more cool stuff in the future. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video, then give a thumbs up, press the bell icon for getting more updates in the future. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.